Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kelly, and for today I thought I would share with you my favorites for the month of October. Now, I have done a lot of unboxing videos in the past, and to be honest, they are kind of tedious to show everything to you, and so I thought I would share with you my best and most favorite from the bunch. And apart from that, I wanted to share with you the things that I love that I have bought. And yeah, that's basically like a roundup of the month. I wanted to make this a monthly thing and just kind of share with you my recommendations and basically what's new and what I'm loving at the moment. Let's get started. So for the first item that I love, well, it is a bag. It is a bag that I bought in Auckland when I was there, and actually I got it from a thrift store, and that's mainly why it has become my favorite, just because I got a really good deal for it. It's this Stella McCartney bag that I found in one of the thrift stores in Auckland, and it's not the Dorabella, I think. I don't know what this is called. It's a different kind of design, but it's still very beautiful, and it still has the signature heavy chain, which is all around the bag. And of course, it is made of vegan leather. And yeah, it has two flaps. And you have the first one here, and it says Stella McCartney, made in Italy. And then it has the second flap that also has like a magnetic clasp. So there's two compartments. And yeah, it's super nice design. It's so easy to wear. But I think the chain is a bit heavy. Actually, when I bought it at the store, the guy who was selling me this bag, he was like, "Whoa, that's a very heavy chain." And I was like, "Yeah, I plan to use it as a weapon." Okay, so a little backstory about this bag. I saw this hanging along with some other bags that were not designer bags, and I honestly think they made a mistake putting it there with that pile. And yeah, I'm pretty sure though that this is original because it has a Stella McCartney label here, the tag here. It has the weight of the original chain. And the only thing that I did not recognize is this design. I have never seen this before, but nevertheless, it is a beautiful design, and I think I even prefer it to the Dorabella one. So this is my #1 favorite for this month. So also on my list of favorites for this month are these sunglasses from Police. I think they have such, okay, I have two. And I think they have such a classic and timeless design, and I think it suits my face shape. And I love them. You can see the design of this one, and this one is like a transparent one. Yeah, I love both of these, and I actually got them at the SM store. I was invited to the launch of the newest collection of Police sunglasses, and yeah, they gifted me these two. Actually, I chose from the new collection, and I'm so happy with them, and I'll actually be wearing them to Hawaii next week when we go. Okay, so next on my favorites list is this passport organizer from Adorabella. They gifted this to me, and I've been using it ever since, and I absolutely love it. It's personalized. It has Carlos, Kelly, and Tristan here, and an extra one just in case we have another baby, or if we need to put Tristan's nanny's passport here for safekeeping, I can do that. And everything is just so organized. I love that it has many compartments, like you can put calling cards or credit cards in here, and even boarding passes. Also, it has this compartment where you can put your ticket and other documents inside, and it also has a pen holder. And yeah, I absolutely love the design, and it's made of real leather, and I super love it. I've been using it for a couple of months now, and I absolutely adore it. And this one is from Adorabella, and I think this makes such a great gift for families who love to travel. So next on my list is this bamboo toothbrush from OIAM, and Actually, I've been meaning to make the switch from plastic to bamboo, and I finally did it. I saw OIM, and I found OIM on Instagram, and they make this, and it's so easy. I got 4, which is good for the year, and it's really made of bamboo. Okay, so the whole toothbrush is made out of bamboo, and of course it has these bristles. And yeah, this whole thing is completely biodegradable, and this is the solution, I think, one of the solutions to our country's waste and plastic problem. And I think it's all about making these small changes that can lead to big things. And just simply switching your toothbrush from plastic to bamboo can make a big difference in terms of waste management and how this affects the environment. So I'm so happy with this, and yeah, this is all from OIM. So next on my list of favorites are these new products from Happy Skin, and this is from their Honeymoon Glow collection. Actually, Honeymoon Glow is one of their most famous lipstick shades. And they made an entire collection out of it just because it's so popular. They came up with a Feeling Sculptacular Face Contour Kit that has the Honeymoon Glow. And of course, they also have this kiss-proof lip and cheek tint, which is part of the Honeymoon Glow collection. And this is how it looks. When you swipe it, there you go. It comes out like this, and of course you spread it, and it gives you that beautiful kind of color that I think goes with any complexion or skin tone. And I think that's why the shade Honeymoon Glow is so popular amongst Filipinos. It's because it suits all skin tones. It suits mestiza skin, chinita, and morena skin, and it just looks great on everyone. And I absolutely love that they made an entire collection out of this popular shade from Happy Skin. These are 2 different shades. One is Honeymoon Glow and the other one is Under the Sheets. So let me show you Under the Sheets, which is another shade from the Honeymoon Glow collection. So this is how it looks. This gives off a darker kind of shade. I think both look great on all skin tones. And they also made Honeymoon Glow shade, which is so pretty. It's like a nice pinkish nude color, and I love it. And these are so great. They are from the Honeymoon Glow edition. It's so pretty. Okay, so next on my list of favorites is actually underwear. This is from Maidenform, and this is so soft and comfortable. It is made out of this nice cotton, but it just molds to your skin really, and when you wear it, you just don't feel it. It feels weightless, and it kind of just molds to your body comfortably. And it comes with a matching underwear, which is boy shorts type, which kind of ensures that this will be seamless, like this won't be seen when you're wearing a dress. And I absolutely love this because it's so comfortable. I'm not into like uncomfortable underwear like thongs, like I stay away from those. But when it comes to like boy short types, this is a must for me. And yeah, I absolutely love it. It's like sexy meets comfort for this one from Maidenform. And it's just incredibly soft. Like when you wear it and you try it on, it just feels amazing on your skin, and it just molds to your body shape. And this will be in heavy rotation for sure in my wardrobe. Okay, so next on my list of favorites are these essential oils from Neals Yard Remedies. And these are just amazing. One is lavender and the other one is frankincense. And of course, they're from Neals Yard's Remedies, and that means that these are completely organic and all natural. So lavender I use for relaxing, we all know that. But frankincense, actually, this essential oil is actually very good for the body. It actually helps relieve stress, it improves memory, and it has also been said to help prevent cancer. It has a lot of benefits, and mixing these two together can help make a relaxing concoction that you can use every day. So what Neals Yard Remedies did was they gave me a base massage oil, and I'm going to mix this with these two to create like the ultimate massage oil that will help me relax and kind of just heal me naturally. This base massage oil can be used with other essential oils to create other magic potions that will help kind of alleviate little problems like tummy aches, headaches, and yeah, mainly I've been using essential oils to kind of like heal myself and my family from like all these little things like what I said, like a little bit of dizziness, headaches, nausea. There's really nothing that essential oils can't fix. And even when it comes to cough and colds, we've been switching to essential oils as well, just to kind of go on the more natural route and kind of veer away from chemicals and things that are not natural. Okay, so next up are these home products from Bare Essentials, and they gave me a candle, which is a hand-poured soy candle, and the scent is fresh bamboo. Yeah, it smells very natural and clean and very fresh, of course. It smells like bamboo. They also gave me a reed diffuser, and this is a lavender scent. And apart from that, they gave me a hand sanitizer with a green tea scent. And these are all made natural here in the Philippines, and which is mainly why I love this brand. And anything for home and personal use, they are a good brand if you want something fresh and naturally made and local. They're a good brand to support. And lastly, I wanted to share with you this nude lipstick from Inglot. And this is from their Jennifer Lopez collection. And I love nude lipsticks. If you know me well, you know that I'm a fan of nude lipsticks, and I'm always seen wearing nude lipsticks. And I was doing a shoot for a magazine, and the makeup artist used it on me and gave this to me after, just because I loved it so much. I'm wearing the lipstick right now, and I absolutely love it. The shade is J203 Dolce, and that is how it looks. Okay, so that's it for my favorites for the month of October. Watch out for the November one. I'll try to work on that very, very soon. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!